I wanted to be a dentist since I was 4 years old. My first dental appointment, my mom took me, and I just had an awesome time. And I just walked out of there telling my mom I want to be a dentist when I grow up, and she's like, Looney Tunes, pop, 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 pop. My daughter's crazy. Hi, my name is Dr. Neda Hovezi. My practice is Lumiere Dental Spa in Quincy. I was born in Amherst, Massachusetts, over on the west side of our lovely state, and went to University of Virginia and dental school down in Virginia. Dental school is like my Disney World, I think. I met my husband in Virginia. He was down visiting his uncle, and his uncle slyly brought him over and introduced him to me. I'm the most blessed person in the world because I have a lovely baby boy. He's 9 months old. It's really my passion being a dentist, and I couldn't see putting it aside. I love it just as much as I love my baby. Shh, don't tell. It's so rewarding to me. I go home and I sleep at night because I know that I've done the best for somebody and I've given them a smile that they couldn't otherwise have. Drill-less dentistry is dentistry with a laser, so we don't use the traditional watery spray noise type of dentistry. It's the best the technology has to offer, and it sounds like, I tell the kids, it's like popcorn popping. You hear pop, 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 and a little water, and it does the same thing. It removes the decay and allows us to only remove tooth structure that is decayed and restore it very conservatively. 6 Month Smiles is an awesome, revolutionary new product, and it is a technique in straightening adult teeth in 6 months or less. When a patient comes in 1 month later and their teeth are almost perfectly straight, it's so rewarding when I can give somebody the smile that they always wanted and never had. My mom once told me, if you want to know if you have a good doctor, look at his shoes. You know, we all wear a uniform, we have the same wonderful pink shoes, and we're kind of known for it, so it makes us proud. When we have a patient come in, we don't care what insurance you have, how much money you have in the bank, we treat everybody the same. Your treatment plan is based on what you have in your mouth and what needs to be done, and not what insurance you carry. They tell me all the time that we have Newberry Street Dentistry on C Street, so that's a great compliment from them to me. I'm a dentist in Quincy. I like to dance and sing while I'm working. We shouldn't have done that.